I was born with a blood disorder that is called sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell, you have your moments where there's not enough oxygen to the brain or the heart, and you just don't feel well for maybe 2, 3, 4 days. I was always very sick. I mean, you're talking as a kid, I just got tired of being sick. And I started watching this black and white television, and I'm seeing Jack LaLanne jumping up and wanting to be robust and strong and excited. And I said, I want to be like Jack.
Who at 78 years old still looks and performs like he's in his prime. From overcoming early health struggles to building a career spanning decades, Robby's dedication to fitness, nutrition, and discipline is unmatched. In this video, we'll explore the foods he avoids, what he eats for longevity, his daily supplements, and his proven workout routine. Let's uncover how Robby stays strong, healthy, and youthful. 5 foods Robby avoids. Robinson avoids 5 key foods to maintain his health and physique. 1. Processed foods. Items like chips, candy, and fast food, which contain preservatives and artificial ingredients, can cause inflammation and digestive issues. 2. Sugary foods. Desserts, soft drinks, and high-sugar fruits are avoided to prevent insulin spikes, fat storage, and energy crashes. 3. Refined carbohydrates. White bread, pasta, and other refined carbs provide little nutritional value and cause energy crashes. 4. High-sodium meats. Processed meats like bacon and sausages, which are high in unhealthy fats and sodium, are excluded from his diet. 5. Artificial ingredients. Foods with artificial colors, flavors, or chemicals are avoided in favor of organic and natural options to support long-term health. 5 foods Robby eats for longevity. Robby Robinson focuses on nutrient-dense foods that promote longevity and support his fitness goals. The 5 foods he eats regularly include 1. Salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon helps build muscle, burn fat, reduce inflammation, and support heart health. 2. Eggs. A high-quality protein source. Eggs provide essential amino acids for muscle recovery and growth, as well as healthy fats and vitamins. 3. Broccoli. Packed with fiber, vitamins, C and K, and antioxidants, broccoli supports digestion, immune function, and overall health. 4. Oatmeal. A slow-digesting carbohydrate that provides sustained energy throughout the day, oatmeal fuels intense workouts and stabilizes blood sugar levels. 5. Strawberries. Low glycemic and rich in antioxidants, strawberries help regulate blood sugar, support recovery, and promote overall health without insulin spikes. Robby's early health struggles. Robby Robinson faced significant health struggles early in life as he was born with sickle cell anemia, a blood disorder that caused episodes of insufficient oxygen to the brain and heart. These episodes left him feeling ill for several days at a time. Growing up with this condition, Robby became tired of constantly being sick and decided to take control of his health. Inspired by watching Jack LaLanne on TV, who exemplified strength and vitality, Robby set out to improve his fitness and well-being, ultimately becoming a renowned figure in bodybuilding. Meal breakdown. Robby Robinson's meal breakdown focuses on balanced, nutrient-dense foods to fuel his workouts and promote longevity. 1. Breakfast. Robby starts his day with 7 to 8 eggs for high-quality protein, oatmeal for slow-digesting carbs, and cashew butter for healthy fats. He also drinks 16 ounces of water to stay hydrated. 2. Lunch. A typical lunch includes salmon, rich in omega-3s for muscle building and recovery, paired with vegetables like broccoli for fiber and vitamins, and sweet potatoes for a nutrient-dense carbohydrate source. 3. Dinner. Robby enjoys grilled chicken or salmon with vegetables like squash or collard greens. He adds potatoes or yams for complex carbs to replenish energy and support recovery from intense workouts. Each meal is designed to provide a balance of protein, carbs, and healthy fats to support muscle growth, energy levels, and overall health. Bodybuilding. Career. Robby Robinson, known as the Black Prince of Bodybuilding, had a remarkable career spanning over 4 decades. He achieved significant success, winning prestigious titles like Mr. America, Mr. Universe, and Mr. World. Robby became a prominent figure in the bodybuilding community, particularly at Muscle Beach in Venice, California, where he trained alongside legends like Arnold Schwarzenegger and Franco Columbu. His perfectly balanced physique earned him widespread recognition, and his competitive spirit and discipline inspired generations of bodybuilders. Despite the passage of time, Robby remains a symbol of longevity, health, and dedication to fitness. Longevity through nutrition. Robby Robinson attributes much of his longevity and enduring fitness to his focus on nutrition. He believes that proper eating is key to maintaining both physical health and mental sharpness as one ages. His diet emphasizes nutrient-dense whole foods, including lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to support muscle building, recovery, and overall wellness. By avoiding processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats, Robby has been able to minimize inflammation, maintain lean muscle mass, and prevent the common ailments associated with aging, ensuring his continued vitality well into his 70s. Salmon for muscle building. Salmon is a cornerstone of Robby Robinson's diet due to its powerful benefits for muscle building and overall health. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon helps reduce inflammation, supports heart health, and aids in fat loss. Its high protein content is essential for muscle repair and growth, making it an ideal food for someone like Robby, who maintains an intense workout routine. Additionally, the healthy fats in salmon help maintain lean muscle mass while supporting Robby's energy levels and muscle recovery, making it a key part of both lunch and dinner in his diet. Broccoli for health. Broccoli is a key part of Robby Robinson's diet, valued for its numerous health benefits. Packed with fiber, vitamin C and K, and antioxidants, broccoli supports digestion, immune function, and overall health. Its high nutrient density helps combat inflammation, which is important for recovery and maintaining joint health, especially for someone with an active lifestyle like Robby. Regularly incorporating broccoli into his meals ensures that Robby receives essential nutrients that promote longevity, aid muscle recovery, and support his overall well-being. Oatmeal for sustained energy. Oatmeal is a staple in Robby Robinson's diet, particularly for breakfast, due to its ability to provide sustained energy throughout the day. As a slow-digesting carbohydrate, oatmeal releases energy gradually, preventing blood sugar spikes and crashes. This steady energy supply helps Robby power through his intense workouts and maintain focus throughout the day. He pairs it with cashew butter for added healthy fats, which further boosts metabolism and adds flavor. Oatmeal's complex carbs also support muscle recovery and keep him energized without causing energy dips. Strawberries for recovery. Strawberries are a key component of Robby Robinson's diet, especially for recovery. As a low-glycemic fruit, they help regulate blood sugar levels without causing insulin spikes, which is crucial for maintaining steady energy. Rich in antioxidants, strawberries support muscle recovery by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation after intense workouts. Their high vitamin C content also aids in immune function and tissue repair. By incorporating strawberries into his diet, Robby ensures that his body receives the nutrients it needs to recover effectively, while also keeping his energy levels stable. Robby's daily supplements. Robby Robinson takes a variety of daily supplements to support his muscle growth, recovery, and overall health, especially as he ages. His supplement routine includes 1C creatine, enhances muscle strength and performance during high-intensity exercise. 2. Glutamine, supports muscle recovery by replenishing reserves and reducing soreness. 3. Essential amino acids, promote muscle repair and prevent breakdown, essential for recovery. 4. Vitamin B complex, boosts energy levels, supports metabolism, and aids in stamina during intense workouts. 5. Flaxseed oil. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, it helps reduce inflammation and supports heart and joint health. 6. Udo's oil, a blend of omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids that promote cell function, reduce inflammation, and support brain and heart health. 7. Yerba mate fiber, aids in digestion, supports prostate health, and ensures regularity, helping to absorb nutrients effectively. These supplements help Robby maintain his muscle mass, energy levels, and overall well-being. Robby's weekly workout routine. Robby Robinson's weekly workout routine is built around classic bodybuilding principles, focusing on muscle strength, recovery, and endurance. Here's a breakdown. Day 1, chest, includes exercises like incline press, bench press, dumbbell flies, and pec deck flies to build chest muscles with free weight movements. Day 2, back. Robby focuses on lat pull-downs, pull-ups, seated rows, and T-bar rows for back strength and muscle development. Day 3, shoulders. Shoulder exercises include standing overhead, barbell press, seated dumbbell press, reverse pec deck flies, and cable lateral raises to develop deltoids. Day 4, rest day. Active recovery to allow muscles to heal. Day 5, legs. Robby performs leg extensions, squats, leg press, dumbbell stiff leg deadlifts, and calf raises, often using supersets for added intensity. Day 6, arms. Focuses on arm exercises like cable triceps pushdowns, close grip bench press, dumbbell curls, and reverse barbell forearm curls, often starting with pre-exhaustion for forearms. Day 7, rest day, another rest day to aid recovery. Robby's routine is built around intensity, consistency, and the use of traditional, proven exercises to maintain strength, muscle mass, and overall fitness. Thanks for watching. We hope Robby Robinson's timeless approach to nutrition, fitness, and overall health has inspired you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living a long, healthy, and fit life. Remember, it's all about consistency and making smart choices, just like Robby. Stay strong, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.